With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is given a solid cylinder of mass 2 kg and radius is 0.2 meter is rotating about its axis on axis without friction with angular velocity 3 radian per second. A particle of mass 0.5 kg and moving with velocity 5 meter per second strike the cylinder and stick to it as shown in figure. So the angular momentum cylinder before collision will be, means here we have to find the angular momentum of the cylinder before collision will be. This is the cylinder and here it is given, this is the given option. Now here we can check which one is the right. So firstly here we can see here, so this is the look like here like this is a look like here this disc type, and here this is a rotate 3 radian per second. And here it is given in question, means a particle of mass 0.5 kg and moving with velocity 5 meter per second and strike the cylinder and the stick, means here this is a 5 kg and moving with a 5 meter per second and strike the cylinder and stick. But we find only angular momentum of the cylinder before collision. So here we can see that in that case, when we have any object like rotational motion, so angular momentum is L is equal to I omega. This is the moment of inertia and this is the angular of a speed object. Now here I is equal to, means this is the moment of inertia, means the moment of inertia of the cylinder is equal to moment of inertia of the disc. So here we can write mr square by 2. Now put the value here, mass is given 2 kg and here radius is given 0.2 into 0.2 upon 2 and here it is equal to 0.04 kilogram per meter square, kilogram meter square. Now here we can find here angular momentum before collision. So here it is I omega. Now put the value. This is the 0.04 and omega is the value given 3. This is a 0.12 joule second. Now here check the option. That means first option is right. This is solution to this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.